So then, excuse me, Angry Birds Star Wars 2. Let's get into it. So, hello again guys, Caden here, and today I am doing a Angry Birds Star Wars 2 video, as you can see. So, let's get into it. I don't think I've completed Naboo Invasion. No, I think this level is really hard. Yes. My next video is going to be probably a Never Have I Ever / offline Q&A with if my brother wants to, maybe with him. He probably won't want to though, because he's got his own channel running and he doesn't really like to do videos. Well, he does, but you know. Oh no. Oh yes, you just got disintegrated, bruv. Right. Sorry about the lag in my past 3 videos, which were my Clash of Clans, my Red Bull 4, and my, what's its name, Clash Royale. Yes, we got it, guys. We got it. What's the time? 12. $51,690 points. Oh dear, let's have a look at this final mission. Oh no, not this mission. There's going to be a load of ads, isn't there, guys? Right, I need to help my friends. Like a boss. Correct. I've still got all of these to help me as well, so. Oh, yes. No. I thought I would have disintegrated it. Oh, cry. Oh, I hit it. What's it gonna do to those, my friend? I can't believe I have to do this, but. Yes. No. No. Guys, I failed. Well done. Wow. Frozen. You done goofed. Right, this one's hard. Let's go on to the pork side. Oh, I'm on level 19 on this side. Oh no, not this mission. This mission is so hard. Put in the comments down below if you like this mission. If you actually, put in the comments if you've ever played it. Or not like played the mission, like played the game or something. Right. He's very, very cool. Like a boss. I might actually use Boba Fett or whatever his name is. This level. Yes! This better be helpful. Yes, I've done it. We done it, guys. Phew. I've once played this and I absolutely hated it. It was so hard. Well, not this mission, but the next mission. God's sake. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, then. Yes. Boom. I need it to catch him as well, if I can. I'm guessing, guys, I'm gonna have to use him again. Sad face. Go on, you've got him. What the hell? You haven't. Let's see what this guy can do. Right. I think I know what I'm doing now. Boom. Right, yeah. Yeah, I know what I'm doing now. If you can't get him, which you can. Guys, we completed it. After a while. Yay, 200, no, yep. I've made up my own song for this. I'm so fancy. You really know I'm in the pork side. I like the music for this. No, not these missions. These missions are so hard. Darth Maul. Yes, I remember this guy. He's awesome. Whee! Oh, yes, then. Yes, me. Oh, yes. Is he gonna... Yeah, he has. Yes. Is that complete? Yeah. There we go, guys. We got it. I actually do think we'll get quite far in this. Because my videos have to... Oh, Darth Vader! My videos have to be underneath 15 minutes. So I reckon we'll get to about level 5 on this. And if not, then I'll just have to end the video. And do part 2. I'm sure the viewers don't want to... I'm sure you guys don't actually want to see all this. Ads. Right. Ooh. Oh. I thought it was going to be more interesting, but it isn't. Well, that's just been destroyed, and there's bones, and oh, look at this destruction. Get wrecked. Right. Come on. Yes, guys. Come on, roll off. On top of him, but miss him. I don't have anything to destroy him. That's my sister, just telling my mum something. And that's her friend with her. Right, attempt number 2. Right, I think that was a fail. Actually, that wasn't a fail. Yeah, it was. Because now I've got to... Actually, yeah, it was. Smash. I don't think he'll get it, but... Oh, look at that for a takeout. That was my mum just saying to my sister to wear something proper because she thinks wearing something cold's gonna do something. And even though it's a really cold day, I think. Wow. Right. I'm just gonna have to do this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to give this mission one attempt, and then if I can't do it, then I'm going to end the video here and do episode 2 of this. Yeah! There we go. Like a boss. Right then, guys. I'm going to have to sadly end the video here. But thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you in part 2. Bye.